What if we could control gravity itself? Imagine entire cities floating, space travel becoming routine, and bending the very fabric of space-time at will. What would the world look like if we mastered the force that governs the universe? Gravity, the invisible force that keeps us grounded, binds the planets together, and shapes the universe. It's one of the most fundamental forces in nature, and yet, what if we could manipulate it? What if we could bend gravity to our will? Today, gravity is something we have no control over. We rely on technology and vast amounts of energy to overcome it. Rockets need immense power to break free of Earth's gravity, and even the transportation systems we use every day are limited by the need to stay on the ground or in the air using massive amounts of fuel. But what if we could manipulate gravity, change its strength, or even turn it off entirely? Overcoming gravity is one of the greatest challenges we face. But if we could unlock its secrets and control it, the way we travel, build, and explore could change forever. Scientists are already investigating ways to manipulate gravity. From theoretical physics like Einstein's general relativity, which describes how gravity warps space-time, to cutting-edge research into gravitational waves, ripples in space-time. There are ideas that suggest gravity may not be as immutable as we once thought. Could we find a way to weaken it, reverse it, or even create anti-gravity fields? Imagine vehicles that can float without wheels, rockets that don't need fuel to escape Earth's pull, or entire cities suspended in the air, defying the laws of nature. This is the promise of controlling gravity, a future where technology doesn't just work around it, but uses it as a tool. Some of the most cutting-edge research hints that gravity may not be as untouchable as we think. Experiments with gravitational waves, discovered only recently, are giving us new insights into how gravity works. Theoretical models suggest that exotic matter with negative mass could one day allow us to create anti-gravity fields. If these theories hold, the future could look like something out of science fiction. Imagine a world where spacecraft can bend space-time, traveling across galaxies in the blink of an eye, or cities floating above planets, immune to the effects of gravity. This is the potential of unlocking gravity's secrets. It could lead to advancements we can barely comprehend today. So what if we could control gravity? One possible future is a utopia, where gravity becomes a tool for limitless energy, effortless transportation, and exploration of the farthest reaches of the cosmos. But there's another side. What if this power is misused? Manipulating gravity could lead to unintended consequences. Unstable gravitational fields causing chaos, or even tearing apart the very fabric of space-time. Manipulating gravity could be one of the greatest breakthroughs in human history, or one of the most dangerous. The future will depend on how carefully we tread, and how much we truly understand the force that governs the universe. Gravity, one of the universe's most powerful forces, could one day be within our control. If we succeed, it would revolutionize our world and take us to the stars. But with great power comes great responsibility. Only time will tell if we're ready to manipulate the fabric of the universe. What do you think? Is controlling gravity within our reach? And could it change everything we know about science and technology? Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.